Are you looking for a way to protect your commercial space while maintaining visibility? Introducing the FlexiGlide Vision Glass Sliding Folding Security Shutter by HVP Security Shutters. This innovative shutter is perfect for motorway service stations, airports, and shopping malls, combining premium security with unparalleled transparency. Imagine a shutter that not only secures but also showcases your products. The 3mm clear polycarbonate glass inserts allow for an unobstructed view, ensuring that your space remains inviting. Whether it's a retail unit or a food court, Vision Glass keeps the sightlines open, even when closed. So what makes this shutter stand out? Its robust aluminium frame ensures maximum security. With impact-resistant polycarbonate panels, it acts as a strong barrier against theft and intrusion, crucial for busy locations. The sliding folding mechanism allows for easy access during trading hours, folding neatly to the side without requiring a bottom track. This design keeps walkways clear and simplifies cleaning. Not only is it functional, but it also boasts modern aesthetics. The seamless glass and aluminium construction enhance contemporary architecture, making it a stylish addition to any space. Plus, it's customizable. Picture this: you're in a bustling motorway service station. The Vision Glass shutter secures the food court while allowing clear visibility for both staff and customers. Or at an airport, it maintains a secure yet welcoming environment for retail concessions. In shopping malls, it encourages window shopping by securing shop fronts without blocking products. HVP Security Shutters has over 34 years of experience, installing more than 12,000 security solutions nationwide. Our Vision Glass system is manufactured to the highest standards, fully compliant with ISO 9001 and Constructionline Gold requirements. Additionally, we provide full technical documentation and nationwide installation. Contact HVP Security Shutters today for a free consultation. Explore the benefits of the FlexiGlide Vision Glass Sliding Folding Security Shutter and elevate your security without compromising on visibility.